Imagine a luxury sedan so powerful, it feels like the road bends itself just to keep up. A machine engineered not simply to move, but to dominate. This is the Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG W223 e-Performance, a masterpiece where elegance meets electrified brutality. And today on Motor Axis, we dive into the world of a luxury monster that rewrites every rule in the book. The first thing you notice is the presence. The S63 doesn't shout for attention, it commands it. The Panamericana grille, the widened stance, the AMG signature lighting, everything looks sculpted with purpose. It carries the aura of a limousine, but beneath the surface, it hides the instincts of a supercar. Under the hood, the S63 unleashes a fusion of V8 muscle and electric intelligence. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pairs with a high-performance electric motor, delivering a combined output that pushes this luxury giant into hypersedan territory. With every press of the accelerator, instant electric torque fills the gap before the V8 roars in. It's not just acceleration, it's an orchestra of brute force and precision engineering working in perfect harmony. But the power isn't the only story here. What makes the W223 S63 truly special is the way it carries itself. You don't simply drive it. You glide through the world in a capsule of silent confidence. The active suspension system scans the road ahead, adjusting the body within milliseconds. The result? A driving experience that feels like physics has been reprogrammed just for you. Step inside, and you're surrounded by a blend of technology and craftsmanship that only the S-Class heritage can deliver. The cabin feels like a private executive suite crafted for speed. The ambient lighting, the AMG performance steering wheel, the massive OLED displays, and the handcrafted Napa leather all merge into a space where luxury doesn't just exist, it evolves. Every detail feels intentional, every surface feels premium, and every digital animation feels like it was designed to impress even the most demanding VIP. But this isn't just a luxury palace. The S63 W223 is a statement of what modern performance should look like. The electric boost system doesn't just add power, it transforms the personality of the car. One moment, you're cruising in complete silence, gliding through the city like a whisper of luxury. The next moment, the V8 awakens, the exhaust deepens, and the entire car becomes a surge of unstoppable motion. This dual nature is what makes the e-performance system so groundbreaking. It's not simply faster, it's smarter, cleaner, and more responsive than any S-Class before it. On the open road, the S63 feels unshakable. Rear-wheel steering shrinks its size during tight turns. Massive brakes bring its enormous power under control. The intelligent all-wheel drive system reads traction instantly and sends power where it's needed most. Everything works together like a perfectly choreographed performance, a dance of luxury and aggression. And that's the beauty of this machine. It's not just a car for those who crave speed. It's for the ones who want presence, power, refinement, and technology all fused into one masterpiece. The S63 AMG W223 isn't trying to compete. It's defining what the future of elite performance sedans should be. This is the world of the S63, where hybrid power becomes a weapon, where comfort becomes an experience, and where luxury has an entirely new meaning. And here on Motor Axis, this is just the beginning. The automotive world is evolving fast, and we're here to take you deeper into the machines that shape the future of performance. Stay tuned. The road ahead is only getting more exciting.